Hey guys, so today we're going to be making banana pudding. So I do have a box of vanilla pudding. I'm going to go ahead and add 2 boxes of vanilla pudding to my bowl. Make sure that you are using vanilla pudding and not buying the banana flavor. It tastes better with the vanilla. Then I have 2 cups of milk. I'm just going to go ahead and stir this until it gets nice and thick. Okay, so we mixed the pudding until it got thick. It's nice and thick. I'm going to go ahead and add some sour cream. Yes. So I'm going to mix in the sour cream. Just fold it in. And once I have that all mixed in, I am going to add some Cool Whip. Then I have some Cool Whip. Just gonna break that up because I just took it out the freezer. Just a teaspoon of vanilla. Alright, so I'm going to cut up about 6 bananas. I like my bananas not too thick, so this is how I am going to cut them. And I'm going to cut up 6 bananas, just like this. So I got my bananas all chopped up right here. I'm going to start filling in the pan with cookies. I do have my Cheeseman cookies. Some of them are a little broken. It's okay because ain't nobody gonna see them. But you will taste them. Alright, so I'm just gonna fill the whole bottom of the pan with these cookies. I'm gonna save the good ones for the top. Alright, so I have my first layer of cookies. I'm gonna go ahead and add my bananas. Alright, and then I'm going to go ahead and add the pudding. And I'm just going to repeat that all the way until we get to the top. Alright, now that's all done, I'm just going to go ahead and add my Cool Whip on the top. I'm going to use about probably 8 ounces, so 1 cup. And I'm going to add the cookies on the top. All right, and I'm all done. I'm gonna go ahead and stick this in the refrigerator pretty much until tomorrow. Guys, so it is the morning and this is the final product of my banana pudding. Just gonna go ahead and begin. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and also stay tuned for more recipes.